Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Goods, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the best tech gadgets available today. If high-performance audio is your thing, you're in the right place. Today, we are taking a deep look at the Bluesound POWERNODE N331, a wireless multi-room music streaming amplifier that brings together audiophile-level sound quality and modern digital convenience. Get comfortable as we dive into every detail of this powerhouse and help you decide if it is the right fit for your setup. The Bluesound POWERNODE N331 is not just another streaming amp. It is a bold upgrade to Bluesound's popular lineup of wireless amplifiers built to offer incredible sound quality, advanced streaming capabilities, and a hassle-free user experience. With updated circuitry, gallium nitride transistors, and 100 watts per channel of clean amplification, the N331 is built for those who want their music to sound pristine. Whether you're enjoying a solo jazz session or immersing yourself in a movie soundtrack, this amp is designed to faithfully reproduce every sonic detail with accuracy and emotion. The first thing you notice about the POWERNODE N331 is how clean and modern it looks. Its matte black exterior gives off a premium vibe while remaining subtle enough to blend into any living space. The top features a touch-sensitive glass panel that lights up when your hand approaches, offering 5 quick access playback presets. This minimalist design does not just look good, it is also practical. With a compact footprint, it is easy to place on a shelf, desk, or audio rack without taking over your room. Everything about it suggests thoughtful engineering with attention to both aesthetics and usability. Under the hood, the POWERNODE N331 delivers serious power and precision. Using Bluesound's refined DirectDigital amplification and advanced GaN transistor technology, it pumps out 100 watts per channel in stereo or 80 watts per channel in a 3.1 system configuration. This means it can drive a wide range of speakers with authority and clarity. The soundstage is spacious, bass is controlled, vocals are natural, and high frequencies are clean without being harsh. Whether you're listening to delicate classical music or energetic rock, the amp stays composed and delivers audiophile-grade performance in every genre. One of the strongest features of the POWERNODE N331 is its integration with the BluOS multi-room platform. BluOS is Bluesound's proprietary streaming system, and it supports over 20 streaming services, including Tidal, Spotify, Qobuz, Amazon Music, and Deezer. You can access internet radio, stream your personal digital library, and play high-resolution audio files including MQA and DSD256. The BluOS controller app, available on iOS, Android, Windows, and macOS, offers a seamless interface for managing music in a single room or across your entire house. With BluOS, the POWERNODE becomes the heart of your smart audio ecosystem. Bluesound designed the POWERNODE N331 to simplify your home entertainment setup. It includes an HDMI eARC port that lets you connect your TV with just one cable. This brings high-fidelity sound directly from your television to your speakers, elevating your experience whether you're watching movies, sports, or playing games. The amp also supports center channel output and can be paired with other BluOS-enabled speakers for a full surround setup. This makes it a powerful alternative to traditional AV receivers while saving space and reducing cable clutter. Bluesound has covered all the bases when it comes to connectivity. The POWERNODE N331 features dual-band Wi-Fi, gigabit Ethernet, USB-C input, and both analog and digital audio inputs. On the wireless side, it supports Apple AirPlay 2 and aptX adaptive Bluetooth for high-quality streaming from mobile devices. For surround sound fans, the bonded speaker link feature enables wireless Dolby Digital surround sound when used with other BluOS-enabled speakers. No matter how you want to connect your music sources or speakers, the POWERNODE gives you the flexibility to do it your way. Looking ahead, the POWERNODE N331 will receive a software update that adds Dirac Live Room correction. This technology is widely respected in the audiophile community for its ability to fine-tune audio to match the acoustics of your room. With Dirac, you will be able to calibrate your system to account for room reflections and layout, resulting in an even more precise and immersive listening experience. Although this feature is not available at launch, it shows Bluesound's commitment to long-term support and continuous improvement. If you enjoy personal listening, the POWERNODE N331 has you covered with a high-quality 6.3mm headphone jack. Powered by THX AAA technology, this output delivers ultra-low distortion and high resolution, making it ideal for critical listening. Whether you use high-impedance studio headphones or premium over-ears, the amp provides ample power and a clean signal path. It is especially handy for late-night sessions or when you want to dive deep into your favorite albums without disturbing others in the house. The POWERNODE's user interface is sleek and easy to use. The touch panel on the top responds quickly and gives you access to preset playlists or stations without opening the app. For more advanced control, the BluOS controller app is where everything comes together. You can adjust volume, switch inputs, browse your music library, and group zones across multiple rooms. The app is well-designed, stable, and intuitive, making it easy for users of all levels to enjoy what the POWERNODE has to offer. Let's take a closer look at what makes the POWERNODE N331 shine and where it could improve. On the positive side, it offers powerful 100-watt amplification, outstanding sound quality, wide format support including MQA and DSD, and integration with the BluOS ecosystem. The HDMI eARC input is great for TV use, and the sleek design fits anywhere. On the downside, there is no physical remote included in the box, which might be a downside for users who prefer traditional controls. It also lacks a phono input for turntables, and Dirac Live is not yet available at launch. Still, these are minor trade-offs for a product that performs at such a high level. The Bluesound POWERNODE N331 is perfect for a wide range of users. If you're upgrading from a soundbar or want to downsize from a bulky receiver, this is a smart, high-quality option. Music lovers who value clean, detailed sound will appreciate its performance, while casual users will love how easy it is to use. It works beautifully in a stereo system or as the centerpiece of a surround sound setup. Whether you want music in one room or several, the N331 is a flexible and powerful choice that adapts to your lifestyle. To wrap things up, the POWERNODE N331 is a standout product in today's streaming amplifier market. Bluesound has successfully combined audiophile-grade sound with modern convenience, all in a compact and attractive form factor. It is powerful, flexible, and designed to grow with your needs thanks to ongoing updates and feature support. Whether you are a serious music listener, a home theater enthusiast, or someone building a multi-room audio system, the POWERNODE delivers exceptional value and performance. That's our full review of the Bluesound POWERNODE N331. If you liked what you saw and heard, let us know in the comments. Would you use this in your living room, office, or bedroom? We want to hear from you. If you already own one, share your experience so other viewers can learn from your setup. If you enjoyed this review, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Tech Goods, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep exploring the best in tech. See you in the next video.